Hi, this is Ray Lin, Head of Marketing at Iris by Audinate, here live at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. Very excited to be named the rAVe Pub's winner this year for Best AV as a Service or Cloud Platform here at InfoComm. So Iris is a software-based camera control platform. We are interoperable, very much like our sister product Dante. We work with over 400 camera models across over 30 camera manufacturers. And Iris is a simple platform, web-based, and desktop app available as well to control, manage, and monitor your PTZ cameras. We have a studio set up here with cameras here on the show floor in Las Vegas, and then we also have a remote studio in New York City, thousands of miles away. The big news, aside from the rAVe Pub's honor, is that this week we just announced we are now integrated with the Angicus Saber X and Bolin B2 cameras. That adds the 9th and 10th manufacturers to our lineup of Iris-enabled cameras, which means that you can access Iris directly from the camera's firmware and easily control, manage, and monitor it from anywhere. More information at tryiris.ai. Thanks so much for watching.